Hello and welcome to MAQ. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. Today we are going to install Parrot OS in VirtualBox. So let's get started. So open a web browser and type Parrot OS. Here is the official site for the Parrot project. You can explore it. So just go to Downloads tab, and here you can see various options. Select the virtual and go for the Parrot Security OVA. Just click on direct download and the file will begin to download. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it. So start the VirtualBox and click on import. Browse the image file. Here is my image. Just import it and click next. Just click import. Click agree. So it's getting started importing. It will take some time. So now the image is imported and our machine is ready. So just go to settings and reconfigure it. So I'm going to allot 2 GB of memory and 2 processing cores. And in USB port I'm going to select 1.1. Just start the machine. So here you can see our bootloader is not getting booted, so we have to manually select it. And now our Parrot OS is booted. Just log in. So now we are in a Parrot OS environment. Select the input keyboard method and here is the username and password for the OS. Parrot OS is the best option for ethical hacking and pen testing. It's latest and more stable than Kali Linux. You can use it for various purposes, for education purpose, for home purpose. It's up to you how you use it. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.